Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to cover why biotech stocks, low price biotech stocks, are such a great thing to trade and how to trade them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay guys, RKDA Bioscience Incorporated, it's Arcadia Biosciences, ticker is RKDA as you see up here. This one was just absolutely crazy. It was a great play. And you guys are all probably thinking, I played this from here to here's what I'm going to say. And that's a complete wrong answer. I actually didn't make this huge move. Excuse me, I'm eating some grapes over here. Got me burping a little bit. But with that being said, I actually played the safer play. This play was not very safe until, let me get this tool over here. I want to move the time and sales back away too. Kind of let you guys see a bigger screen here of it. But the smarter play here, this was what I saw, resistance. Not the very top of these little wicks, but right here where it came twice, or three times basically. 1, 2, and 3. So with that being said, I'm hungry, guys. I'm relaxing, chilling. I'm still sick a little bit, so I'm getting some vitamin C in here as well. I believe grapes have some. But with that being said, this thing just fell. And what I played was not this huge move over here. I played this much of it. So I basically, instead of going long, I went short. I bet the stock was going to go down up here. I actually got in as soon as the market opened, and it didn't go just shoot up to here. I kind of knew that I was going to have a panic at first. So where I was really sitting my support line was right in here at these tops, where these dots were, was where I was looking at on the 2-minute chart. Now, as you can see, it was very correct. It could have found support down in here, but it didn't. So, and I didn't even take profit down in here, actually, guys. I was taking profits in here, guys. I mean, at that $3 range, because whole dollars are usually big amounts. Now, something that you could have played as well, but I had already told you guys I'm sick. I'm sorry. But instead of playing the dip buy and stuff like that, that you could have right in here, which I would have a hard time buying this right in here. Maybe buying it in here as it breaks this right here would be a great buy as it's starting to curl. That would technically be still a dip buy. I look at it as more of a breakout buy because it's making it's going to find a new high. So really right here is where I would have wanted around that $3 range, 306. But once it popped up, right here is where you notice all of a sudden this thing just pops out of nowhere again. Because this, I could see it was going to test this one way or another. So if you would have bought in at 3 and got in at that 346 range, or sold at that 346 range, you still would have had a good profit. But here's the thing, this thing just didn't stop. If you would have just bought in here and let your stop loss be the support basically, which was this line now, instead of it being resistance, that now became support. And now it would have just let it bounce. And I mean, this thing did not come down and hit it. So you were green all day. And look at this. At one point, you don't even see the line anymore. So let's back out of it so you can see the whole thing. You would have been up dramatically. Now, I don't know what this is going to do on Monday morning because I don't hold over the weekends. I don't like that at all. Honestly, I would have been selling up in here. I would have been selling here once I started crashing, which I mean still from 350 to 390, that's 40 cents a share. That's really, really good profits, guys. So that's really how I'm playing those moves. And yes, biotechs do jump up, and it had a ton of news down in here, and that's what helps push it. But it's nothing fancy like this is only a biotech play. That's not really how it happened. Basically, it fell, it got some news, and it just pushed back up really hard is what really happened. And that happens to a lot of stocks, guys. So letting it be a biotech does help a little bit when it comes down to this. But no, it's still the basis of support and resistance. I tell every student of mine one of the major keys to learn is finding support and resistance. Once you get that down, I can help you figure out the entrance and the exits and how to perfect that portion of your trading and that's what people come to me for. That and the scanners, I teach you guys how to use my scanners that I've already built for you guys. You guys don't have to go through the pain of trying to plug in what goes in it, what shouldn't go in it, percentage gainers, plus this, plus volume, plus price. You don't need all of that. I've built it all so you get every mover every morning, pre-market. Plus, if it takes off as soon as market opens, maybe it's a little slow pre-market, it's going to find it on this scanner as well, guys. As you can see, we've got plenty of volume in here. We got prices everywhere in here. But again, guys, this was a great play. With that being said, guys, if you guys have any questions about how this play worked for me and what I saw, feel free to comment below. Please hit that like button if you got any value out of this at all. I really appreciate it. It really motivates me to make more if I get more likes on it because it does help my channel. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.